Hello guys, the last time I recorded a video on how to turn a Facebook profile into page, and I realized most of you are having difficulty turning on the professional mode. Some of you are saying that the professional mode is not available on their devices. And I realized most of you either locked their profile or are using Facebook Lite, the version that is outdated. So let me show you how to do it. Click on the Facebook Lite app. Now there's a Facebook profile here. Now just click on these three bars here, then report a problem. Just follow the procedure I'm doing, then include in a report the diagnostic for your report to help Facebook understand how to fix the problem that you are reporting. Click on include in the report. Okay, now just scroll down. Okay, where is it? Just a minute here till you see profile. Profile. Okay, right here. You can choose to attach an image or just report the problem by typing hello. Just type hello. I would like to report a problem on my profile. The professional dashboard is not showing. Kindly assist me. Assist me. You can include the link to your profile, but Facebook will automatically know because you've already told them, you've already included the diagnostic for the issue. Now just click on the send button. See, thanks for letting us know. After doing this, Facebook will automatically fix the professional dashboard on your page. Thank you. Let's meet in the next video.